Alright guys, we are out here with the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro. I just want to fly it around for a minute to check on these updates that I did. 2 updates, I haven't flown it over a 2 update period, so we want to see how it's working and all these disconnect issues and all this other crap, you know. Ugh. And we're gonna take off. Okay, at least it's flying, right guys? Okay, as much crap I've been through with this thing, at least it's flying. Video looks a little tilted to me, but we'll see. Yes, looks like the gimbal's a little crooked. Of course, that could be just my eyes. I gotta get the eye doctor. I can't see anything anymore. Okay, so let's record some video. Woo! Okay, so the gimbal just turned. Yeah, the gimbal's acting up. Matter of fact, the whole drone's acting up. It's jittering around. The gimbal's going. You see? Look at the drone now. See? It was drifting all over the place. Yeah, this Mini Pro, yikes. We're gonna take back off. Oh, now it says aircraft is disconnected. Oh, now it's gonna land again. Okay. Whew. Aircraft disconnected. So, it's back to the disconnect issues. USB disconnected. Now, every time this has happened, I've had to restart this drone here. I mean, this Zino Pro is a pile of garbage. Okay, I mean, look how nice that other one flew, right? Right out of the gate. This is just a turd, man. This is just a piece of junk. That's all. That's all there is to it. It's a complete piece of junk. Geomagnetic sensor failed. Well, there's all kinds of fails in this thing, okay? So, there's fails galore. Sensor fault. Now, what is this now? Sensor fault. So it won't take off. God almighty, this thing. Please reinsert the battery into the aircraft. Okay, I've done this before. This is something that's been going on with this one since I've had it. Taking the battery out and putting it back in while the battery is on. So you're seeing these issues in real time. Let me hurry up and... Okay, so now the gimbal is straightened out. He starts the video back up. Yay! Okay. Still thing looks crooked to me. I'm gonna have to do gimbal calibration on this. I mean, you can just look at it and see that it's leaning sideways. The gimbal, it's not straight at all, actually. Let me look at the buildings over there. I tell you what, I don't trust this damn thing at all. These disconnects and all this crap. I've had people tell me, oh, that won't happen no more once you put that new update on there. I think the same guy's told me that 3 times. And every time it does it. It constantly is doing it. The obstacle avoidance, I don't believe, is on. No, it's not. So, off. Let's try this bypass. Let's try this bypass mode here. Okay, now let's see if it works with the rear. Ooh, it's very jittery now.
Signal poor.
Yeah, it's not. It's going to go around me. See? No, don't land. Ah, damn it. Oh, it disconnected again. You know, that thing that never happens? That's what happened. It disconnected again. That's why it landed. It's so frustrating. Now I have to... Why in the hell is this keep happening? Just for the life of me, I can't figure this out. Okay, so let me try a different cable. This is the cable I was using on the SE, so I figured that would be a home run, right? I figured, oh, that big cable will be fine. Here's the old cable from the Zino. So we'll try that one again. You know, you have to restart it every time you do this, okay, so. It never goes back into that connection mode unless you restart the quadcopter. It doesn't just, you know, unplug the cable and plug it back in. That doesn't make the disconnect go away. You have to shut the drone off and restart it. Okay, so it's still not connecting. Nope. Let me do the old hot swap of the battery again. What a pile of junk. I don't think I'm going to be flying this thing that much anymore, to be honest. Maybe I can find some sucker to buy it off of me. Nope. Let me try the transmitter restart, see if that'll do anything. Usually it's if I just restart the drone, it fixes it, but that's not working anymore, so. The USB cable is not connected. Please consult the Chinese consulate at your earliest convenience. Nope. Dead. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Nothing's happening with this thing. It won't connect no more, so I'm wrapping it up. It's not doing anything. Who knows if it'll ever even fly again. It's a piece of junk. Okay, that's just the way it goes. Alright guys, have a nice day.
That's all, folks.